Friends, we can see question number 28 from here. Cash flow from financing activity questions are started, and this is in my book. It is given 28th question. It may be possible that your book, it may be of your question number 27 or 26, or maybe of 27, 26 and 25 may be off. So you can search by, I am just showing you the question. It is given that equity shares capitals are at the end of the year it is 12 lakhs, and at the beginning of a year it is your 7 lakhs, and 8% preference shares are given beginning of the year 1 lakh rupees, debentures at the end of a year 2 lakh rupees, and the 7% debenture is given 1 lakh rupees at the beginning of the year. Now we will go through the question also. Here you can see that equity shares are given, equity share capital is given, and you can observe that the 17 and 18, that difference is going to be of your 2 lakh rupees. Equity share was issued at the premium, and this entry is of the equity share premiums entry. Then preference shares or redemptions of premium, then debentures were issued at the discount 1%, and 7% debentures are redeemed at a premium of 5%. So we will start the question. So format, as I have shown you, that cash flow from financing activity, particulars in rupees. So first amount we will start with proceed from issue of equity shares. So here we will have PROCEEDS, proceeds from FRM from issue of ISSUE, issue of equity shares, EQUITY equity share capital, SHARE share, CAPITL capital. So you can easily observe that at the beginning of a year it was given you 7,000, and at the end of the given it is given you 12,000. So the difference between 12 and 7,000 is of your 5. So I am going to write for your convenience that it is of your and is of your 12, and it is of your beginning is of your 7 lakh. The difference, that means यहाँ से यहाँ increase कितना हो गया, that was of your rupees 5 lakh increased, 5 लाख रुपए increase हो गया बेटा. Then premium was given, so we will add premium, PREMIUM, premium. How much amount premium is given? 2%. So 2, 5, 2, 10, 10,000 rupees is of your premium amount. It is clear, and we will go for the question further. Final amount we will write later on, then go for the next entry. Then preference share is given. So here I am going to write the redemption of preference share. It is given preference share, so it is what? REDEMPTION, redemptions of preference share, PREFERENCE, preference, SHARES shares. So here you can see share at the beginning of a year 1 lakh rupees थे, end of the year कुछ भी नहीं थे. इसका मतलब 1 lakh rupees ही हम जो थे उसको redeem कर रहे हैं. So आप you can see here that rupees, your 1 lakh rupees, and bottom it is given that preference shares were redeemed at a premium of 2%. So इसका हमको प्लस करना है इसमें premium, PREMIUM, premium 2,000 rupees. So it is what? Your 2,000 rupees. It is clear. Any amount we will see later on and finalize the entry. Now then after your debenture, so शुरू में 9% debenture. So proceed from, you can see PROCEEDS, proceeds from FROM, from debenture, issue of your ISSUE, issue of 9% debenture, DEBENTURE debenture. You can see that rupees debenture, earlier nothing was there, but at the end it was 2 lakh rupees. So it is of your rupees 2 lakh rupees, rupees 2 lakh, and it is given in this that the 9% debentures were issued at a discount of 1%. 1% का मतलब 2,000 रुपये हो गया. So rupees 2,000 rupees discount minus discount. Then redemption of 9% debenture, it is written REDEMPTION, redemption of your 7% debenture, 7% DEBENTURE debenture. So here you can see ये 7% debentures जो थे वो आपके 1 लाख रुपीज़ है ना, और अगले साल कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है मतलब रिडीम हो गए, तो इसका मतलब 1 लाख रुपीज़ पे नीचे एंट्री में दिया उसने 7% वाले डिबेंचर वर रिडीम एट अ प्रीमियम ऑफ 5%, 5% मतलब रुपीज़ 5,000 रुपये, 5,000 रुपये. इट इज़ क्लियर. After that you can see interest paid. It is written in additional information, interest paid on 7% debenture. Okay, so directly we will write INTEREST, interest PAID, paid on your 7% DEBENTURE debenture. One more thing. Underwriting commission of equity shares were paid at the rate of 2.5% on issue price. Okay, underwriting commission of equity share. तो देखिए इक्विटी शेयर वाली एंट्री में इसको हमने क्या कर दिया, अब इक्विटी शेयर वाली एंट्री में हमको अंडरराइटिंग रिटर्न कमीशन है. सो अंडरराइटिंग कमीशन 5,000 और एक 5,10,000 के ऊपर 2.5%. 2.5 का 25, 51 टू 1275. सो इट इज़ ऑफ योर 12,750 rupees. It is what? Underwriting. UNDER underwriting. WRITING underwriting. COMMISSION commission. So space was not there, so I wrote it here. So you can see interest paid on 7% डिबेंचर. ये बीच में एंट्री स्किप हो रही थी जो हमने अभी एडजस्ट करी. हम लोग दोबारा 7% डिबेंचर वाली इंटरेस्ट पेड एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 5 पर आ गए. ये गिवन दिया हुआ है 7,000, तो डायरेक्टली हम इसको 7,000 लिख लेते हैं क्योंकि इसने कुछ और नहीं दिया हुआ है. उसके बाद बोलता है डिविडेंड पेड ऑन प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. ओके, सो इट इज़ गिवन योर DIVIDEND डिविडेंड पेड, PAID paid on your preference share, PREFERENCE preference, SHARE share, and that is also given you 8,000 rupees. अब कोई एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री नहीं बची, तो हम फाइनलाइज कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन को. सो हियर यू कैन सी that 5 lakh rupees plus 5 lakh rupees plus 10,000 and minus 12,750, तो 750 का 250. So it will be your 257 and it will be of 9 and 4. So it is 4,97,000. क्लियर. जब हमने शेयर को बेचा था तब इतने पैसे मिल गए. उसके दूसरे वाले जो 1 लाख रुपए के शेयर्स थे प्रेफरेंस शेयर, उसे रिडीम कर दिया, तो कितने पैसे हमारे पास से जा रहे हैं. देखिए ये हो रहा है 1 लाख, इसमें कुछ नहीं, 1 लाख प्लस 2,000. सो इट इज़ गोइंग 1 लाख, आउटफ्लो हो रहा है ये 2,000 रुपये. इट इज़ क्लियर. देन आफ्टर यू कैन सी प्रोसीड फ्रॉम इशू ऑफ डिवेंचर 9%. डिवेंचर इशू कर रहे हैं तो पैसा मिल रहा है, 1 लाख में से 2,000 रुपये घट गए तो 1,98,000, 98,000 रुपीज़ हमारे पास आ रहे हैं. देन फिर से हम रिडीम कर रहे हैं 7% डिबेंचर, 1 लाख प्लस 5,000, तो इसमें मतलब हमारे पास से पैसे जा रहे हैं 1,05,000 रुपये, आउटफ्लो हो रहा है 7. नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट इट. सिंपली वी कैन राइट इट हेयर. यू कैन राइट इट इज़ ऑफ योर नेट CASH कैश फ्लो, your FLOW flow, FROM from financing, FINANCING financing, your activity financing, ACTIVITIES activities. So it is what? Net cash flow from financing activity. Let me calculate. 2,07,000, 2,07,000, 4 में इधर से 2 जोड़ दिए, 5, 7. Let me calculate, it will take time. No, I have calculated it. Now you can note it down.